I never believed in ghosts, but the night I heard the click-clack of the old typewriter in my attic, everything changed. It was a relic from my grandfather, a silent witness to his stories. Curiosity got the better of me, so I crept up the creaky stairs. The musty smell of forgotten memories thickened the air. The typewriter sat in the dim light, its keys moving without a touch, typing out a story from the past. It detailed the life of a man who made a terrible mistake, a betrayal that led to his demise. Each sentence felt like a heartbeat, growing faster, more intense, as if trying to warn me. Then it stopped, just after typing my name. My blood ran cold. That's when I noticed the dates. The story wasn't from the past, it was a prophecy. The final line read, "When the clock strikes midnight, the cycle begins anew." As I glanced at the dusty clock on the wall, its hands,